Okay guys, now we are going to narrow down our exercise to the graph. I have made a summary over here of everything that we have gathered so far in order to be able to make our graph. First we have the axis of symmetry, which is x equal to -3. We have the vertex point, we have the y-intercept, and we have the 2 points that we did in the previous video. Okay, the first thing that I need to plot is gonna be my axis of symmetry. Remember that my axis of symmetry splits my parabola in half. Okay, so I am going to plot a dotted line over here that's gonna go right through -3 on the x-axis. Remember that the axis of symmetry is an x that has this value. In this case, the value is -3. So we have to make a vertical line like this. Okay? I know that my parabola is gonna open upward because my value of a in here is equal to 1 and it is positive. So remember that when a is bigger than 1, the parabola is going to open in the shape of a happy face. Okay? Now I'm going to plot the other points. I'm going to plot the vertex point. The vertex point is located at -3, -1. That's -3 and -1. So my vertex point is going to go over here. The vertex, keep in mind that the vertex is always going to be in the axis of symmetry. Okay, that's a hint for you to know that everything is working well. Our y-intercept is equal to 8. That means we're going to go in the y-axis and place a point over here on the 8. And then we are going to plot these 2 points. Okay, we're going to plot -1, 3, 1, 2, 3, and it goes in here. And then we are going to plot -2, 0. That means I'm going to go 1, 2, and I don't go up because y is equal to 0. So now, I'm not sure if you're able to see the pattern. Okay, we have these points over here that I'm going to join. Remember, I'm not such a good drawer, but these will be the shape of half of your parabola. So what you can do, instead of finding all the other points that you have on this side, you just continue the path. Okay, if this point is here, the other point would go here, the other one would go here, and then you go all the way up. And this is how your parabola, I'm gonna retrace it in here so you guys can see it. Okay, this is how your parabola will look like. Okay, we got the axis of symmetry right in the middle. If you were drawing these properly, you would see that they are exactly 2 equal halves. Remember, I am doing it in a whiteboard and I'm not such a good drawer, but the axis of symmetry splits it in half. Okay, we got all the points. We are, with this information, we are basically drawing half of the parabola. Once we have this half, we can mirror the other half to the other side. That's how you graph a quadratic function, and this is the information that you need to graph a quadratic function. Thank you.